Have you noticed insects damaging your plants, curling leaves, or tiny pests hiding under them? Before using harmful chemicals, try this powerful natural garlic and chili spray that protects your garden safely. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing an easy DIY pest control spray made with garlic and chili, two strong natural ingredients that pests absolutely hate, but plants love. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that repel insects like aphids, whiteflies, mites, and caterpillars. Chili has capsaicin, which creates a burning sensation for pests and keeps them away naturally. To prepare this spray, take 5 to 6 garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Crush or blend them with 1 liter of water and let it soak for 6 to 8 hours. After soaking, strain the liquid and add a few drops of liquid soap to help it stick to the leaves. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and spray on both sides of the leaves, especially where pests hide. Use it once every 7 days, preferably in the early morning or evening. This spray is perfect for vegetables, flowers, fruit plants, and even indoor plants. Your plants stay healthy, pest-free, and chemical-free. If you found this tip helpful, like the video, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more natural gardening secrets. Happy gardening!